All right, hey, this is behind the scenes. I have Eli, my other one. I have Jeremiah behind the camera. He's my cameraman now. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and
subscribe.
Yep, and then also check me out on Vimeo. I just started a new Vimeo account. Today we're gonna make 10 chin straps, and I apologize ahead of time if the video is gonna be shaky because we have my oldest behind the camera. And Eli is gonna come over here and help me build these things.
Yeah.
Alrighty? Bye. Here, help me grab these and just bring them over here. That goes around. Hey, this is a good time.
I don't know, throw it away.
Here, I'm gonna.
And Daddy, can I get a close-up shot?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
You push stop.
What do I do with this one?
Pull this
Okay, I know,
not really hard.
Yeah, it's because you want it to like slice it on the edge.
Correct. I'll help you. Ready? Go. Pull it.
Oh my gosh, that hurts so
pull.
bad.
You gotta pull. Again. Yes.
That's so tight.
You see? You got it?
Yeah, can I do one more?
Yeah, of course. There's
Can I
plenty
stop
to do.
recording?
You can do whatever you want. You're in charge.
Oh, wow. I'm in charge? Oh.
Whenever I'm doing this, Eli, do not walk behind me because see my elbow when it pops? I want the thicker stuff on this side. We're gonna use that for the main part of the chin strap, you understand? We're gonna get our secret blueprints so that we could make our secret chin strap.
Okay.
It's right there. I think it's right here.
Yep.
Right here. You feel the angle? Put your hand up here. Hold it tight. Put your finger here. You gotta put your, so the thing doesn't wiggle. You feel it wiggling?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, off to lunch.
Bye.
Where do you guys want to go?
I think Checkers. We haven't gone to Checkers in a long time.
We're gonna grab some food.
If anybody wants to come with me, you can later. I'm gonna be home around 3.
No, we got too much. We got too much work in here.
Okay, that's fine. No worries.
Love you.
All right. Wow. Love you too.
All right, bye.
Bye.
One down, 9 to go. All right. You ready? I'm gonna let you do this one. You do this one. You're gonna do the next one, okay? Go, you do it. I'll let you do it.
Wait, is it supposed to be like this?
Yep, because look, the words are on the bottom.
Yeah, okay.
You go right there. Yeah. Nice.
Okay. Now, wait, I got it. Wait, 1. Yellow. Wait.
Make sure that thing is flush.
Yep.
Straight. You holding it hard?
Yeah.
You're holding it straight up and down, flat. Look, on the bottom here, the head of that needs to be flat like this. And then hammer that thing. Bam, 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 bam. Again. There you go. It's good.
Okay, and then now, here, can you help me with this?
It's gonna roll off.
Oh, sorry. Are those expensive?
Right there. A little lower, not too high. Hold on, let go.
Take a call.
A little bit lower.
I can't do it on my own.
Yes, you can.
I can't, Daddy.
Eli, you're so close. All right, I'll do the top, you do the bottom.
Yeah. 3,
1, 2, 3. You're right there, dude.
Oh, that hurt.
No, dude, you're right there.
Oh,
All right, you gotta finish it. 2, 3, 2.
2.
What you doing?
Daddy, what is this?
Daddy. Daddy.
That's your mom.
Number 1 bevel.
No, it's us, Dad.
Number 1.
Yes.
Jeez. Jeremiah was asking you so bad.
I bought these copper Chicago screws so it can match the hardware. Can you see that, Jay? Can you zoom in there?
Oh yeah.
See, and it matches a little bit. Yeah, that's all. That's all I got for you guys. Just want to show you that. I think it's a long day. I think we're basically done. Why don't you show them? Yeah, this is it right here, actually. Chin strap. And the boys helped me do 10 of them. Show them 10 over here, Jay. Can you show them?
I made those.
Look at all those.
Yep. And the boys helped me. Now it's time for them to go outside and play. It's a thumbs up sneaking in from the side.
Yay.
Say bye, Eli.
Bye.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And this is a very impromptu video with the boys helping me. My son Jeremiah, he's the camera guy today. And this guy's over here helping me. Anyway, a good day for everybody.
Bye.
Talk to you later.
Bye.
Oh,
Bye.
can you see? Let me grab it so I can show them so you can say
Don't
goodbye.
make it dizzy. Yeah.
I'm not. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Later.
Later.